Swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth. So help me God. Sellers, listen, realtors. If y'all got sellers, let me tell you something. My braids ain't even the same. It is 93 degrees in this house. AC ain't working. And then for the sellers who have ACs working, they don't even want to turn them on. We out here showing the houses in the Houston heat. And you tell me, my buyers can't even stand here long because it's so hot. They can't even imagine themselves. It's so hot. My back is sweating. I feel beads of sweat going down my back. Look at here. Look at here. I done turn this thing every which way. This a basic one. I know how to work it. Look at that. This ought to be against the labor laws. We already know what's going on. We already know what's going on in negotiations from the jump. Is this AC system? Look, I don't even have to go to the sauna. I can just make an appointment and sit in this house. That's how hot it is. That's strike one. They already ticked off because it's hot. Then it ain't coming on. Sellers, you kicked yourself in the butt on this one. Amongst other things, it's hot. It's hot. Have your sellers, realtors, have your sellers turn the air at least on 80. Can we get 79, 80 on this air? And then trying to negotiate. It's hot. Anyway, on to the next house. Bye. It's hot. Shout out to all the realtors out here in this Houston. Keep making it happen.